like a when your foes get burned and what you did in the past comes to you in return. From the player greater, not the player hater. Think about your life and riches will come later. You're coming out the pocket for holes you can't handle. Players start to throwing some blows over a gamble. King of this thing refused to be trampled. Front a whole key and a half, that's just a sample. 1996 was face to face with the rebel. You went from keys to quarters to ounces back to pebbles. Sitting on the tracks thinking about your flow with no candy paints and jewelry and even hoes. Was staying on top watching out for your capers. This ain't no one night stand when you're thinking about paper. Busters don't understand that it take hard work when y'all brands. Just say everyday struggle with no paper in hand. All the fakers soon get you like a one night stand. Nigga hate busters don't understand that it take hard work when y'all brands. Just say everyday struggle with no paper in hand. All the fakers soon get you like a one night stand. That's just how it is, you know. We've been in this thing a long time. She said her name was Coffee and she from St. Pete. I met her at the club, over 36. Tangerine orange juice to throw us both in the mix. She said she didn't dance and she isn't alone. She now was school, got a job, plus her man is gone. She felt she wasn't down for no relationship, but it could be me and you for one night and that's it. I took her out to breakfast about 4 in the morning, and we reached Coffee Crib when it was just about dawn. The mood was real mellow, ain't no time to act silly. Started biting on the neck and suck on the right titty. We stepped into a room and I knew it was on. Slim black with a shake, made me hard like stone. She reached for a condom, threw on the nightgown, and from that point on, the panties came right down. Coffee was a freak and I knew she was able to take pipes. She had an earring clamped to her neck, so I poked and I poked till I reached that nut. And I slapped Coffee right on the chocolate butt. Nevertheless, a man moved back in, so I never really got to splat Coffee again. Guess we meet back up just as the dog got a bone. And Coffee really hope that you hear this song. twice. You heard back in the days I was cold like ice, but there was boy versus girl, and this is cat chase Mike, and this loving that I got ain't nothing nice. have you wetted in the 87 Jerry curl. Base patrol, we come back to back, so let me show you how we do it when we splat, splat. Let's take a ride, let your waist freeze. Now I'ma show you many things that your eyes can't see. See, I don't wanna lock you down, baby, down, be free. But you could never meet another young hustler like me. Let's take a ride, let your waist freeze. Now I'ma show you many things that your eyes can't see. See, I don't wanna lock you down, baby, down, be free. But you could